Hi, welcome to Lawnmower Care. Today we picked up this LT1000 Craftsman. Pretty clean little unit. The guy said that he was going up a hill and it just quit running. Has one little slice in the seat. It doesn't have a key. And what else does it have? It's just a basic LT1000. Has a shut-off fuel filter. I haven't checked to see if it ran or anything. He just said it sputtered up a hill and died, and he had another unit, so he just kind of rolled it into the garage, and he just felt like selling it. So that's kind of what happened. $100 bill. He said, take it out of his hair. So I said, okay. So we'll throw a battery in it. We'll see what's going on with the sputtering, but shouldn't be anything we can't fix. Anyway, this is just our little walk around that we do. Looks like a good one here. It's not all beat up and the wiring harness isn't all spliced into. It's looks like a good little unit. It just needs a little bit of TLC. Anyway, let's get into it. Anyway, I took the steering wheel off it because I had a cracked one on my other one, and I just was going to use this as a parts mower until yesterday. Check this out. Choke it up. I gotta order a key for it, but needs an oil change real bad, but that's pretty good to me. On the right side, oil in the exhaust chamber. It's because the head gasket's got a little tunnel where the oil's leaking over into it. So we'll put a new head gasket on. Not too bad of a job. Out here working. Anyway, we went to go cut the grass and it started smoking really bad. Come to find out that it was putting oil in the exhaust chamber. That's why it was doing some bad smoking after about 5 minutes of use. So we changed the head gasket, put a new battery in it, and just kind of cleaned it up and put a spark plug and just your basic maintenance. But we ended up selling it pretty quick. Anyway, if you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.